Next up, the 1914 from London Fenchurch Street, Shoeburyness via Basildon. 357036 and 003 refurbished. Is that 003? I think it is. And about to arrive in now is the 1949 to London Liverpool Street. Is that one 003? It is 003. Been coming shortly. You see it? Here comes our train now. Is that me?
It's me and you.
You what? That's going to, yeah, that's calling all stations via Basildon. That's working on, ours is 9 Bravo 45, that's working on 2 Bravo 56, I think. I think it is. Here it comes. I'm not getting off the next one. Let's see if I'm right. Oh. 357042 refurbished and 039. And arriving in now it is 357003. Oh, this is 003. I got confused. Oh, that was 042.
I want to get the back of the motor.
Oh, you want to get the back? Oh, let's jump on it. Yes, it is a repaint. 003. We're in lucky. Hold on.
You hold on. I want to press it.
You can press it?
Yeah.
Bro!
Ah, okay. Yeah, I just got it, bro.
Welcome aboard the C2C rail service to Liverpool Street, calling at Stratford and Liverpool Street.
Oh, it's doing it full time. No, it just says Stratford normally, yeah. Don't open the door with your head like that.
Never do such a thing.
Why'd you do that?
I didn't do anything.
Doors are closed.
Your door's closed.
Oh yeah, knock it off. Should get a bit of East Ham after that.
Yeah, well, there's a few children there. What's that?
Was that you? Oh!
What's that?
66. Oh, yeah, it's that. I was expecting that freight. Nice tone. Going on the viaduct bit now.
Yeah.
And that was.
So I thought
And that was 35703942 refurbished, working 2 Bravo 56. This is 003 and 036.
Well,
Is it? Coming back already. Oh my god. Oh my word. Go this way now. Oh, across the other side. East Ham, other side. It's a bit blurry though, isn't it? Aye. Enough of that nonsense. Can't really see it all. It's all blurry. I don't think there's anything that's gone there ever since. Yeah, it's all blocked off. It's all windy, it's all blurry. Really? I don't know if I walk Orange Park now.
well, great.
Orange Park
Oh,
station.
not the website.
No. Oh, I've still got the camera rolling. So it's a shame RTT's not showing me anything. Which is ridiculous, isn't it? switch. Should charge the phone.
Charging my phone.
I have to use your charger.
What's Grange Park?
There we go, that's the soft jet line bit.
Yeah, why are we going to Grange Park?
We're going via Forest Gate and the Great Eastern Main Line a bit after this. It's a good line to go for, isn't it? Good time right at the end.
Great place.
So very morning. Just via here we cut onto the Great Eastern. And that bit carries on. So you might see the Great Eastern joint. And for that, I'm going to get out my other phone.
Hello?
Just so I know it's which. It's the Great Eastern bit right here.
Can't you quickly run across and have a look at the address?
Yeah, you know he does that. Yeah, we switch the pan off. It's because switch on to the Great Eastern.
I don't know.
What's it called? What's the thing called again?
I went and picked something up yesterday.
I just want to change power on the Great Eastern.
I don't know, there's something odd round there between it switches onto that line. Here we go, here it is. Here's the Great Eastern. Let's see if there's any fast one coming.
There's a train back there.
Was it?
Don't they see headlights back there?
Elizabeth line, probably.
On the Great Eastern.
Oh shit. Was it? Was that 720?
So a few trains that we need to get back.
Plus, how am I going to charge my phone?
Yeah.
Exactly. A long charge, it's going to be boring. I did bring a power bank.
And I did, but you don't have the right cable.
I have to charge with your phone.
My phone's not even enough charge to charge.
Keep charging it for the speaker first. Then I'll charge with your phone as long as you don't use it.
I need to use the one to get power with it tonight.
Well, when she calls and answer it. Might be 2K100.
That's something.
Elizabeth line. Let's go on to Shenfield. There is one coming now. It's probably 2K100 for sure. Coming to Maryland now. Fucking hell. 721.35. 725.46. Coming to Stratford now. Another Lizzie line. Let's see how much we can get.
Short lines, hello fans. Sorry.
Very tired, aren't we? Yeah, it's going cold, isn't it?
We are now approaching Stratford. Please change here for Central Line, Jubilee Line, Docklands Light Railway, London Overground,
Oh, right, that's
Line,
nice.
and National Rail Services.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police
And the Clacton
on
one's coming in.
61016.
Yeah, that looks like Stratford.
We'll sort it.
Yeah.
See it?
I can't see
say
what those
it,
ones
sort
are.
it.
But that's going back to Shrewsbury, right?
Yeah.
Oh good, we can always catch
Can't really
that.
see those unit numbers.
It's fine.
Oh, it's blown away. Can't really see those. I think it's 347A40.
Let's go.
Are we actually here?
Yeah, we're actually here.
Let's go film some units. Come on, we're here. Okay, we're here. We made it. Sure about the charger. We just about made it, didn't we?
That's smart. I've got the speaker charges it.
I want to charge your phone. Show my battery.
No.
I'd like to This one's the part. Yeah, did it?
We'll just stay here then, yeah.
No, we'll go to platform 10, yeah?
Clear when the train doors are
You sure?
closing.
Why not? I don't mind filming
Go
it.
like the other platforms, it's disgusting.
What's the problem to
I
my
don't we need to
dad?
go that side to get back anyway.
Yeah, we do. So just go to platform 10
Yeah,
and
yeah,
go from
fine,
there,
yeah.
yeah. We're allowed to be over as well. Let's film wherever we like, don't we?
Yeah, we have to, because let's go back anyway.
Oh shit, you know what I mean? Right, let's get leaving now.
We're on 1926.
Oh, pack that in.
Who?
Alright, leaving now. The 1925 from London, from Shoeburyness to London, Liverpool Street. Street? Same driver again. 357003 refurbished, the 18th one done. 357036.
So let's just go that platform then.
Yeah, we'll go platform 10.
Or platform wherever we can.
Yeah, we'll film a bit of Stratford first.